The Harmonic Resonators here on the Voice of Hauraki, ko te reo Hauraki nā iwi FM 92.4. Thursday morning, Rino and Reha here till 10 o'clock, Reha out and about with the whānau, doing their little bit right here in Paeroa, actually part of the Hauraki Activation. He was with me right now. Mōrena e ho, I can see you still down there. I can see everyone down there, the whānau, bro. Nice, what a nice gathering.
Aye, well, we're still down here at the Paeroa roundabout, just close to the, everyone knows where the McDonald's is, Te whānau. So we're down here in support with our whānau o Paeroa. They've come together, I raro I te kaupapa o te kotahitanga, manaakitanga, whanaungatanga, ki te tautoko, I te nationwide activation, I tākiritia ngā kōrero I ngā rangi tatanei, kia karahui ngai Māori o te motu whānui, wherever you are across the country, and nōku te whiwhi, nōku hoki te maringa nui e hoa, we're going to catch up with our very own whanaunga. I'm sure she read your news the other day, because I wasn't there, but it's alright. Kini moana, mōrena.
Mōrena, mōrena.
Tēnā, whakamārama mai to us. Explain for you what is the importance of today's activation across the nation o tira across Pare Hauraki.
If you look in that corner right over there, our mokopuna and our tamariki, koina te kaupapa matua o tēnei rangi mōkua kenei.
I know you've been behind the scenes e hāpai ana I ngā mahi e pāna ki te rangi nei. So what has it been like, the process in preparation for today's gathering here in Paeroa?
Honestly, it's been so organised. Our leaders have done a great job in terms of distributing the message, like accurately, time precisely, and done I runga I te ngākau mahaki, I runga I te ngākau Māori.
What is the atmosphere like here in Paeroa? I was just over there talking to some of our whanaunga and our tamariki. You can see the future is bright, but for you, what is the atmosphere? What's the wairua like here in Paeroa? We get all these cars driving past, tooting their horns in support of our kaupapa. So for you personally, what is it like?
Oh, I'm just loving it. Aha ko he rangi makariri, ko kā mai te ahi. Yeah, I'm just happy to be here to support our babies, our iwi. For me, atmosphere, I'm just proud to be Māori. Yeah.
And what's the plan for today? How long are you fellas here at the roundabout? And mo te rangi katoa nei, what's the rest of the plan for the day?
Nō reira ka mutua mātou mahi ki konei ki Paeroa hei te iwa karaka. Ka tū he kara ki hei whakakapi I tēnei. And then ka haere atu ka kopukatu ki te kauwairanga. And there we'll have our biki koe with our Hauraki kōwharo whānui.
Ka pai hoa, better let you get back to it and host this. Bloody Māoris, eh? What a bloody hongi. I'm in the middle of my job at the whānau hioi. We're going to carry on. Move, friends, move. We're going to catch up with my favourite whanaunga. I haven't seen him in like a month at the whānau since we took the stage at the Tiny Regionals. Our main guitarist, Rere Ahu Kolia. Mōrena, my bro.
Mōrena, kei te pēhea.
Oh, kei te ora, kei te pai. A bit pakaru on the back from last week's gym session with your sister. But today, we're all here in support of our kaupapa, Hauraki kōwharo. Show you hori. Hauraki toi tū te tiriti. So what's the vibe like?
Really good, actually, eh? This is my first time really participating in a kaupapa like this. And just seeing all of the energy from our whānau that have collected together on that side of the roundabout and also coming over to this side. But even just the engagement from everybody in their waka coming around the roundabout has been really amazing to see the positive energy coming from this kaupapa, eh?
I don't want to put you on the spot, but today is the day the budget is released. Mai te kāwanatanga and mai o whakaro e hoa. How well are Māori going to do?
It's a bit of a toughie. If we look into, te kāwanatanga and all of the budget cuts, it's really reflective of the nature of the current government and who sits in that space. But this is a bit of a reminder for our Māori to get amongst it, get your voice out there. Whenever the opportunity comes to cast your vote, have your say, ko te mea nui o enei kaupapa kia mōhio ai te ao Māori, te iwi Māori, I rātou ake take. And this is one of those things that we're going to have to fight through it. It's going to to be a tough battle, but at the end of it, you know, when we all come together, mā te aroha, mā te manaakitanga, mā te kotahitanga, ka ora ai te iwi.
Pātai whakamutunga e hoa, as tangata whenua, iaha etahi kōrero aki mō tātou nei whanaunga tiriti out there, e tehi nei tō tātou nei kaupapa o te kotahitanga, o te manaakitanga o te whanaunga tangi hoa. Any words you want to share out to those whānau?
Yeah, kimi hoa Māori, kātahi, kārua, āta whakarongo ki a rātou kōrero, ki a rātou puna mātauranga, i te mea mā te hono tahi, a te tangata whenua ki te tangata tiriti, ka kotahi ai te iwi o Aotearoa whānui. So if we all actually just, you know, start to listen to each other, come together, show a bit of empathy to some of the rari that are happening on both sides, no doubt we'll find a bit of aroha in the middle.
Well, e hoa, I'm going to wrap it up on that note because tāre he kututu atu i era e hoa, and hopefully you're back through. How's your back through?
It's a bit better than your tina at the moment, isn't it?
I know, I'm working on it. Right, here anō te whānau, hoki atu kia koe in the studio, Reno.
Kia ora e hoa, kia ora. Oh, love the mahi there, loving the passion, loving the vibe of what's been going on right now in Paeroa, not only in Paeroa but around the area. Listen to all the car horns tooting, the waka going over the bridge there as well, and look at the smiles, look at the joy, look at the happiness.
Show all our
It's a demonstration that's been in peace, you know, because the whole kaupapa of this is around the future of our mukapuna, but also the wairua pai, which is one of the main reasons why when you take a look at the tamariki all over the opposite, the bottle there as well, and yeah, just the smiles, the vibe, and the passion that they all share, and that's what's been shared up and down the motu and around here in Hauraki. We'll do more updates, we'll catch up later on today over there in Thames as well. 25 to 9, right here on the Voice of Hauraki, ko te reo Hauraki nā iwi FM.